Hello guys, Ryan here. In this short video, I'm going to show you some of the steps I took to make this awesome red oak kitchen island that I made for a customer. After buying some rough cut lumber, the first thing I did was cut down the widths to get 90-degree edges. Next, I used the biscuit joiner to cut grooves every 6 inches to help keep the faces parallel to one another during the glue up. Pipe clamps are great for wide glue ups like this. The overall requested size of this island top was just under 8 feet long and just over 3 feet wide. After gluing the boards together, I cut the ends to length and set up my slab flattening mill. To flatten them, I moved across the boards from right to left at 1-inch increments, taking off a maximum of 1/8 of an inch each pass. This is repeated on both sides until they are both flat. Next, I cut the tabletop to size and added some pieces to the underside to increase the overall perceived thickness. Here I am using my router and a 1/8 inch radius bit to round off the sharp edges. Lastly, after a good amount of sanding, I applied a few coats of hard wax oil to bring out the red oak grain and provide a durable finish. These last few shots are showcasing the finished red oak kitchen island top installed in the client's home. This was one of the largest pieces I've finished for a client. I really enjoyed working on it and I'm super happy with how it turned out. If you enjoyed this video, then please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any future projects. Thanks for watching!